What up guys, I'm back with another video. What up guys, I'm back with another video. Today we're gonna do like a little vlog today, and I'm gonna go ahead and show a video of what we made yesterday, and I'm gonna put that in this vlog. So yeah, and if y'all follow it, y'all know that I just picked up one of these. If y'all know what it is, y'all know. Like really nice, I like it. It's pretty cool. So yeah, so keep a lookout for a video on this. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. I love y'all. Right, comment, and subscribe. Peace.
Track one time in my life before when we went through the dang, went with the dang on it, when he willy dude. Oh my god.
He said Cody.
Cody. Oh my god. Just a little bit more. Just a little bit more. God.
Come on, hit that thing, man.
Oh my dude, I'm shitting my pants, dude. I'm shivering. He said, this shit is dangerous. God damn it, you want me to shoot?
Oh! You back there, boy. You gotta get back there, man.
Almost 12. Almost.
Put your helmet on.
You was almost 12, dude.
No. You carry a Glock all the time, huh?
No. I don't know why I thought.
Supposed to say
oh,
yeah.
He ain't in full motocross mode. Look at him.
He's fucking, his shit is good.
Oh my god. Oh yeah.
Anaconda, throw back like Ed Hardy, stay fly, I'm high like Jeff Hardy, work like
Bro, what the fuck? Yeah! Yeah! Hey yo, that joint's still wet too.
He gave you a sloppy joint.
A sloppy toppy. Damn.
I'm gonna be the same.
You like being on camera.
Oh, dude.
Oh my god.
Why you stop throwing that?
Come on!
Bro, look at this.
No gas. Yeah. Yeah, boy.
You know that, right?
Yeah, I seen
You
it.
seen it? Yeah. Motherfucker, you wanna bump me, motherfucker? I know. He starts stacking. Motherfucker, what you trying to do? If you had one thing. Give me the fucking camera.
Okay, dude. Okay.
50 cents
Stupid.
today. We're here. I thought he was gonna let me be a news reporter, dude. Dude,
Oh. Yeah. Anything to say? Man, motocross is crazy, man. Every kid out there, man, stay in school.
just drive straight. Don't get selfish shit.
Well, we gotta get him too.
You don't like being on camera. See, he said, motherfucker.
He's like, oh.
Y'all gonna start paying me now. Say right. Bop.
Alright, he's gonna come right about it.
What's your name, dude? What's your name?
They call me Young Dagger Dick.
Okay, dude.
Young, you want me to call you Young Dagger
Young
Dick?
Dagger Dick.
Hey, dude. Find these beautiful tricks. Tristan, motherfucker.
Oh my god.
Dude, you're fucking awesome, dude. Can I get your autograph? Thank you, dude. Thank you, dude. I understand, okay? That's my cousin.
Your front wheel don't go as back.
Yes, you see this little thing?
Oh, all right, I get it. Okay. Yeah, I get on that, John. Let's go.
recording for?
Yeah.
Huh?
I think you're a professional. I just heard you. No harassment, dude.
Watch out! Watch out! Damn! Okay. God, he's doing burnouts?
Yeah,
He's doing burnouts.
he having fun. Look at this.
Oh, yeah. Oh! Damn!
It don't matter.
Right here. Hit it. Yeah. I don't know, man. I don't know. I don't know.
I can rate out a 10. Like right there, buddy. Of course, because I was trying to fight somebody. Hey, my name is Michael.
At least hit this.
Now you good. Oh, man.
Yeah! Yeah, boy! That's hard. Yeah! Good shit, motherfucker.
Oh, his heart is racing.
That was tight. That was nice.
His heart.
Yeah, man,
That man's
learn.
blood is pumping.
Bro, that shit was low-key scary. It wasn't that big, but it was.
Yeah.
Go.
I gotta run full speed.
Yeah.
Just try to go down there. Joe.
Smack. Look, look, look.
Go.
Stand up. Stand up.
Come on, yo. Hey, go ahead.
Oh yeah, no hands. You seen it. No hands. You seen it.
Go, me go.
Run down there. You go.
Nah, nigga, you go. Watch me bust.
I missed it.
Yo, let me get my phone real fast. Nigga, here. That nigga really bounced.
I'm fucking itching, bro.
That's probably, don't itch it, don't itch it.
Going home, guys.
Ready to try this.